All right, this one's 5H, right? 5H? Okay, guys, try factoring. If you guys haven't tried that yet, press pause and see if you can do it by yourself. Just a quick note, if this did not say equals 0, then you can't factor right now. You would have to make it equal 0 first, because the purpose of factoring it is to use the zero product property. If I take out cosine x, this is what it would look like. There you go. And you take each of those factors, cosine x and 2 cosine x plus 3, and you set those equal to 0. Where is cosine x equals 0? Now we're solving, our answers are between 0 and 2 pi, says the directions. 2 pi is not included in our answer set. So where does cosine x equal 0? And the answer is pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. How do we know such things? We know such things because we know the unit circle. The unit circle right here and right here has x values that equal 0. All right, this is pi over 2. And if I went all the way right here, this is 3 pi over 2. Okay, so this is -1, this is +1, but we only care about the x values because the x values is what cosine is. So that one's done. Now let's do the other one. For the other one, we set that one equal to 0. See what we get. 2 cosine x plus 3. I set that equal to 0. We subtract 3 from both sides. We get -3. 2 cosine x. And then we have cosine x equals -3 over 2. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Look at that. Look at this. What is that number right there? That looks like a -1 1/2. Is that possible? No, it is not possible. We cannot have, like, cosine x cannot equal a number greater than 1. It can't. This is impossible. This is DNE. Does not exist. It doesn't work. Think about it. Let's think about the cosine x function. It goes like this, right? And it oscillates between 1 and -1. That means our answers can only be between 1 and -1. So that one's DNE. So our only answers are going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2.